Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all friends? I hope you are all fine and doing very well. It's my dear friends, today I'm back again with another beautiful collection of summer wear, colorful, beautiful sandals, designs for casual wear, for semi-formal wear. A very nice collection of beautiful sandals. You can see the flat sandals, you can see the mid heel sandals, you can see the block heel sandals, and all the designs are so amazing. These are the latest trending designs are you can see in this video. So guys, I hope that you are gonna love these collections and you will find these collections very helpful for you, very useful for you. All the designs are so amazing. So these are the latest trending designings of shoes, sandals, flat sandals and low heel sandals that I hope love, and guys just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video, and I hope that you are going to love this collection and you will find this collection really helpful for you. We are here for you. So guys, if you are having this beautiful sandals design, so please do also like my video, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, please also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, enjoy the notification of all my video, and you will never miss any video in collections. And I always try to be inclusive content for you. Forget to give your feedback in the comment section to tell me how is the video, how are the designs, and how are the collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are most videos. You tell me all this in the comment sections, and please do support my channel, support my video, which are friends, which are relatives. Please share my video guys for more collections, for more designs and more ideas, different type of dress designs, shoes designs. You can visit my channel, check the previous section. I hope that you will find the useful, many stunning and amazing collection on my channel. So guys, thanks for your applications on my previous video. Thank you so much guys for the positive feedback. Your positive feedback and encourages me and motivates me to